Okay, in this video we're going to sketch exponential graph. So I'm going to sketch two graphs for example. So the first one is y equals to 2ex plus 1. First you must find the asymptote. Asymptote is this exponential part cannot be 0. So therefore y cannot be 2 times 0 plus 1. So y cannot be 1. This is the asymptote. Okay, so now I'm going to do when x is 0. When x is 0, y equals to 2e0 plus 1, which is equal to 3. So the coordinate is 0, 3. Next, I'm going to do when y is 0. When y is 0, 0 equals to 2ex plus 1, which cannot be solved. Ex equals to -half and a. Okay, so next I shall start drawing a graph. Asymptote is y is equal to 1. Y equals to 1. And you pass through 2, 0. So the curve could be this way or it could be this way. Okay, so it could be two ways. So what do? We test it. So I'm going to test that x equals to 1, then what will y be? So do not write it down. Okay, so when x equals to 1, so y will be equals to 2 e to the power 1 plus 1. So that will give you y will be 6.4344. Okay, so we know that when x is 1, y will be here, up, above. So therefore the curve is this shape, y equals to 2ex plus 1. Okay, for our next curve, 3 minus 2, y equals to 3 minus 2 e 1 minus x. So same thing, asymptote. Asymptote is y cannot be 3 minus 2 times 0, so y equals to 3 is the asymptote. Okay, so next is when x is 0. When x is 0, y equals to 3 minus 2e 1 minus 0, which gives us 3 minus 2e 1. Okay, that will give me negative 2.43. Okay, so the coordinate is 0, negative 2.43. When y is 0, when y is 0, 0 equals to 3 minus 2e 1 minus x. So e1 minus x equals to 2/3. Ln both sides, so ln both sides. So 1 minus x equals to ln of 2/3, ln 2/3. And that gives me negative 0.405, and x will be equals to 1.405. Now again draw the y-axis. Okay, asymptote is, where's asymptote? Asymptote is y equals to 3. Okay, y equals to 3, and you cut the x-axis. You cut at 1.4, so 1.4, and the y-axis you cut at negative 2.43. So you must pass through these 2 points, and therefore the curve is, okay, so you must remember that the curve is always, there's a sandpit, and you must draw a slide, and that will be it. Okay, so that's a graph of exponential.